This verifies that the switch is good, but the head just barely rotates.
So let's pull out the reel and make sure there isn't a problem in there. Squeezing in from both sides. There. As we look at this looks all right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to take out. The Torx T20. Yeah, these are a little too deep in there for my drill to get. So we'll get these last 4 that way.
Okay, we need to cut this sticker along the seam to get these two halves apart.
Let's see now.
And there's some more disassembly needed.
Okay, so there's 4 screws here. I have to clean these up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are going to need to come out. So now this is coming apart. There, now I can see what's going on maybe. Now if you see inside here,
There's dried grass wrapped around here. Might be an issue.
this motor's definitely jammed up. It's not going to turn, physically jammed up. Hopefully it's not the motor. So you can just lift the motor out now and work on this, getting all this out. See if that's a factor. May not be, but
Certainly not helpful. And that didn't improve it.
trying to get a better look under here. Let's pull out the string. Not seeing anything other than the potential here for a bad motor.
Now we are able to turn this, but it does turn hard. And if you put power on it, it won't turn. That's encouraging, but need to do more. So I'm going to try some penetrant right in there. See what that does. We'll let it sit for a good while, see if it helps.
Okay, it's turning very freely. So apparently you had a bushing seized up in there.
Okay, let's put this thing back together. It's looking good. There's the wiring, the way it's dressed in there.
So look for that when you put this together. Put the 10 screws back in. Got it set to a real low setting.
Okay, we're going to test it. If you test it like this, with the shroud off the ground, wear safety glasses. So in conclusion, this is a corrosion problem. That grass that was dried and wrapped around that point where the motor shaft and a bushing meet is what caused the problem. There's really no way to prevent that. And also I checked it, you can't take off that shroud and get at that area, so spray penetrant to remove the grass that might build up. One thing I would suggest is to use the equipment regularly. Don't let it sit for a long time unused. That's when that corrosion can build up. So thanks for watching, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel.